ducks went out one day, waddling bright in a sunny bay, splashing water, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, Mama duck called from her cozy lair. Come back, my ducklings dear. And 4 little ducks came paddling near. Swam far away, chasing bubbles in the spray, dancing softly, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, Mama duck called from her cozy lair. Come back, don't disappear. And 3 little ducks came paddling near. 3 little ducks found a rainbow stream, shining bright like a golden dream, playing happy, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks saw fireflies glow, twinkling softly to and fro, laughing gently, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck felt small and shy, looked at the clouds in the evening sky, whispering softly, quack, 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 but none of the little ducks came back. Mama duck said, I love you so. Her voice was warm and sweet and low. Quack, quack loud, quack, quack strong, and all 5 ducks came back along. 5 little ducks hugged Mama tight, safe at home before the night.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.